Welcome. In a stunning 4K video walk, viewers are invited to experience the beauty of Praia da Barra, a renowned beach in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. This immersive visual journey captures the vibrant atmosphere and natural splendor of one of Rio's most iconic beaches. The high-definition footage highlights the pristine sands, rolling waves, and lively beachfront, offering a virtual escape to this tropical paradise. Whether you're planning a trip or simply seeking a moment of relaxation, this video provides a perfect glimpse into the allure of Praia da Barra. So, join me as we explore more hidden gems of this stunning beach. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Praia da Barra is celebrated for its natural beauty, featuring pristine sands and clear waters. The beach is less crowded compared to other famous beaches in Rio, providing a more relaxed and peaceful environment. The surrounding landscape, with its lush green hills and distant cityscape, adds to the scenic charm of the area. As the walk continues, the video captures various activities that take place on the beach. Locals and tourists alike can be seen jogging, cycling, and enjoying water sports. The beach is also a popular spot for surfing, with its consistent waves attracting surfers of all skill levels. The beachfront is lined with kiosks and small restaurants offering a taste of local cuisine. Visitors can indulge in fresh seafood, tropical fruits, and refreshing beverages while taking in the stunning ocean views. One of the highlights of the video is the breathtaking sunset over Praia da Barra. The sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, reflecting on the water and creating a magical ambience. This moment captures the essence of why Praia da Barra is a beloved destination for both locals and visitors. This 4K video walk provides an immersive experience of Praia da Barra, showcasing its natural beauty, vibrant atmosphere, and array of activities. Whether you're planning a visit or simply looking to escape virtually, this video offers a perfect glimpse into the charm and allure of one of Rio de Janeiro's most beautiful beaches. Thanks for watching.